How's it going, guys? I'm Warren with Divine Audiovisual, and welcome back to another home theater tour. We are a professional home theater installation company in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If you guys are local and you'd like something special done to your home, please give us a call or shoot us an email. The link is in the description down below. If you are not in the DFW area and you'd like us to ship you some products, we can get you the best price in the nation and free shipping, of course. If we can't get it for you, we will help you find somebody who can. All right, guys, let's get right into it. This is a 13-channel sound system. And not only a 13-channel, it's actually a somewhat affordable 13-channel. I'm going to explain every product in this room, and I'm going to show you something extremely cool right behind the camera there. But first, I'm going to explain how we do thousands and thousands of home theaters in the DFW area. We do this, my friends, with three things. Number one, amazing people. Amazing people that are very high quality people. Number two, hard work and dedication. And number three, a bit of magic. Let me show you a little bit of that magic right now. Aloha Mora.
All right. I think we can work with this. But let's look at here. We got wired 8 surrounds, wides. They're gonna go right about here. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead switch over to the front stage here real quick. All right, boom, now our fronts are in. I'm gonna go over to Cody and let him get the backs put in. Let's go.
All right, time to get it taped off. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and see how this works. Oh! Derek!
Dude, you used your left hand, didn't you?
Yeah.
This is a mess, bro. Okay. I guess let's get the speakers in.
Let's do it.
All right, Cody. Same time. 3, 2, 1. Snap. Don't use your left hand.
No, just right hand?
Yeah, just your right hand.
All right.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Okay. Derek?
Cody.
Derek.
Cody, I'm under the screen.
Did you use 2 hands?
Just shut up. Just get me out. I'm under the screen.
You gonna give me more YouTube time? All right. So Derek's under the screen, guys. He used 2 hands,
Cody,
but
just let me out.
you gonna give me more YouTube time?
No. Let me out from under the screen.
He said he's not gonna give me more YouTube time. I don't think I should, guys. What do y'all think? Like if I should. I don't think I will. Derek.
I'll give you 20 seconds video.
20 seconds? Nah, 2 minutes. At least 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
At least 2 minutes.
2 minutes, will you let me out?
2 minutes, I'll let you out.
Fine, 2 minutes.
All right. All right, let me let him out. 2 minutes. You guys heard it, right? 2 minutes. You good?
All right, guys, the moment you've been waiting for. Here it is. The masterpiece. Acoustically transparent 4K screen by Divine Audiovisual. This is wall to wall. We've got a small border on each corner. It is literally a ½ an inch from each wall. With the 6050, our screen material is absolutely phenomenal here. This is such an amazing experience, guys. Look at that. right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and walk you around the room and show you what we got in here. There it is, guys. Curved 163-inch wall-to-wall custom acoustically transparent screen by Divine Audiovisual. Behind the screen, we have the 502 center channel, the 502L by Klipsch. We have the Pro 18 on the left and right. We have the Earthquake FF10 for amplification. We have the XLS-1502 by Crown. We have the Denon AVR-X6700H. The NVIDIA Shield Pro. For surrounds, we have the Pro 16 RW for the front wides. Those are directional speakers, which probably shows them. We have the CS for the surrounds, left and right. CS for the rears. CS for all four ceilings. We have the Epson 6050 projection. We've got the 12U rack in the front. Nice clean installation down here. Everything looks great. And I recommended this light to the client. This is an LED light that looks like a skylight. There it is, guys. All right, let's get into some demonstrations.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
All right, hey guys, thank you so much for
tuning
it-
in.
but, like,
I still got
it's a minute 30, I thought.
No, it's
but-
2 minutes.
You're lucky I'm a man of my word.
Thank you. But anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Beautiful 13 channel, 9.2.4. And if you guys live in the DFW Dallas area, you know where to click, link in the description. See you guys soon.